Legendary naturalist and broadcaster David Attenborough has received a rare scientific honor on his 100th birthday. Scientists have named a newly identified species of wasp after him. The insect has been officially named Attenborough nucleus storm. The species was discovered in Child's Valdivia province and had remained in the Natural History Museum in London's collection since 1983 before being formally identified. Researchers said the naming was meant to honor Attenborough's extraordinary contribution to wildlife education and environmental awareness over several decades. Following the announcement, Attenborough sent a handwritten thank you note expressing his appreciation. This was not the first species to be named after him. More than 50 species already carry his name, including birds, spiders, fish, beetles, snails, plants, and several varieties of wasps. Born on May 8, 1926 in England, Attenborough began his television journey with the BBC program Zoo Quest in 1954. Over the last 70 years, his voice and documentaries have become globally recognized symbols of wildlife storytelling and conservation. Even at 100, Attenborough continues to work actively. His latest narration project focuses on wildlife found in British backyards. He said he was completely overwhelmed by the global outpouring of wishes and tributes received on his milestone birthday.